What scares you the most before meeting your long distance partner for the very first time? If your long distance boyfriend tells you he would not consider living in the Philippines because he doesn't like it, what would your reaction be?
Then that's totally fine. There's no problem with it.
Let's say you are about to become intimate with your long distance relationship, boyfriend for the first time, and he refuses to wear a condom. What would you do? May we know what's your name and age?
I'm Mary Jane and I'm 19.
You're so sexy, Mary Jane.
Thank you.
Do you eat the rice or something?
Yes, I'm eat rice a lot.
She's so beautiful. She's so sexy. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay, so anyway, here's the question, Mary Jane. What scares you the most before meeting your long distance partner for the very first time?
So first, I'm so scared because I don't know him I don't know him in a person. I know him in a internet also. So like I'm so scared lang also.
You're just scared. Okay. Now, if your long distance boyfriend tells you he would not consider living in the Philippines because he doesn't like it, what would your reaction be?
I'm so mixed emotion. First, yeah, I love other country, but I love other country to travel only, not to live here or there.
Let's say you are about to become intimate with your long distance boyfriend for the first time and he refuses to wear a condom. What would you do?
Hmm. Yeah, I love condom because living alone it's okay, but I consider that if you need if you want to yes me, first you need to had a permission to my family or my parents.
So you want him, like for example, if you're gonna uh you'll do the intimate, like making love like that, so you want him to ask your parents also.
Because traditional court, you need to maybe like not also traditional yung nag-iigib ba yun something, you need to had a permission, you need to had permission to my parents because my parents is strict.
So anything that he wants to do, like he needs to ask your parents permissions first, just like the tradition in the Philippines. Okay, do you consider yourself like traditional woman?
Yes.
How many boyfriends you had?
One.
Just one. Okay, and you're 19 years old, right?
Yes.
Okay, never been kissed like that?
Oh.
Oh, never been kissed.
My ex-boyfriend is come to my house and visiting me with flowers and chocolate. And even my dates or magdi-dates or something outside, you need to have permission to my parents.
Oh, what if your long distance boyfriend wants to kiss you or beso or hug you? Does he need permission to your parents as well?
No kiss until no have-ring.
Oh, marriage first.
Yes, marriage first before
Oh.
that.
Marriage first. You are 19, right? You're still studying college?
Yes, I'm studying college and I'm first year college in Naga.
May we know what's your course?
Bachelor of Science in Midwifery.
May we know what's your name and age?
I'm Rosidal and I'm 23 years old.
How are you tonight?
I'm good, great.
Okay. You have a beautiful smile, by the way. You're welcome. If your long distance boyfriend tells you he would not consider living in the Philippines because he doesn't like it, what would your reaction be?
Okay, that's okay. And it's fine for me because he's the guy. So I am, for example, if we're getting married, for example, tawag dyan, yung magpapasako.
Yung yun ba yung magpapasaka?
Yung, paano ba?
Are you trying to say that he is the man, like who's supposed to lead the family like that? So
So as a wife, of course, I would be follow him, ganon.
Okay. Now, your long distance relationship partner or boyfriend traveled 22 hours to see you. How would you welcome him to the Philippines?
Like fiesta.
What do you mean like fiesta?
Ah, having a good company, a good place, and mga delicious food. Like yung mga tradisyon ng Philippines.
You're gonna show him what is the Philippines like, the traditions and everything.
Yes.
Okay, like fiesta. Fiesta is fun, right?
Yes.
Especially here in Naga right now, right? It's fiesta. Okay. Now, for the last question, let's say you are about to become intimate with your long distance boyfriend for the first time and he refuses to wear a condom. What would you do?
Nasa right age na ba?
She said that they're in the right age.
For me, if it is we're not yet that married, of course no. Because I believe in intimate activity is uh, uh, yung ginagawa siya.
After marriage.
Yes.
Okay. So before marriage, no intimate.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So you don't.
No.
You're not gonna allow it, even though he said that he's not gonna wear condom. It's still a big no.
No talaga, no.
Okay.
Because that's my don't yung believe in a relationship po talaga.
I,
And of course, I have a fear to God.
you have a fear to God. Very religious.
Yeah.
Okay. Mama, are you working now?
Yes, ma'am.
May we know what's your job?
I am a secretary for the car trading po.
Car trading. That's very nice. May we know what's your name and age?
And I'm 27.
If your long distance boyfriend tells you he would not consider living in the Philippines because he doesn't like it, what would your reaction be?
My reaction if my partner told me or tell me that um
He's not going to live here.
he's not going to live here, that's totally fine. I understand because we have different perspective. If he doesn't like to live here, then that's fine. I can what do you call that?
You can what? How about if he tells you, would you want to live with me abroad like that?
Yes, of course.
You will.
Yes.
Your LDR boyfriend traveled 22 hours to see you. How would you welcome him to the Philippines?
First, I will welcome him here on the Philippines by introducing him to my family first, of course.
Let's say you're about to become intimate with your LDR boyfriend, I mean long distance boyfriend, for the first time and he refuses to wear a condom. What would you do?
Then that's totally fine. There's no problem with it.
No problem with that.
Yeah.
Okay. You are 27 years old. Are you single or do you have a partner right now?
I am totally single.
How long have you been single?
Um, Months.
Months. Okay.
Mhm.
May we know what's your job, Bear?
I'm a call center agent.
Oh, so that explains why your English is quite good, quite well, right? Okay. How many boyfriends you had before?
3.
Three.
Yes.
Okay, and she's 27. Would you ever date a foreigner?
I quite
Quite what? She's shy.
one when I was going home. I met someone, but that's
I don't know. My question is, would you ever date a foreigner?
yes.
Yes. Okay. She's 27 and she's very cute. How tall are you, Be? I'm just curious.
I'm 4'11".
4'11". Okay. No, I think you're smaller because I am 4'11". So I think she's 4 feet. Yeah. I thought you were like 18. I love your height. It's actually
Twin sister.
you have a twin sister.
Yeah.
Wow. Is she single as well?
No.
What is your name and age?
I'm Judessa and I am 18 years old.
Okay. So here's the question. What scares you the most before meeting your long distance relationship for the first time?
I think what scares me the most is that the thought that she or he have changed already and I might not know them like how I knew them before they went away.
Okay. If your long distance boyfriend tells you he would not consider living in the Philippines because he doesn't like it, what would your reaction be?
Um, I think I'd consider his reasons why, and after considering those reasons of his, I think I might understand why he can't live here with me, or maybe he'd propose a solution that I'd come to him or with him in foreign countries, and I'd be okay with that if the certain situations are okay with my situations too.
Okay. Your long distance relationship boyfriend traveled 22 hours to see you. How would you welcome him to the Philippines?
I'd take him somewhere that we are rich in, our uh like the views, like from example from the Baguio City, we have a lot of different tourist spots, and I'd welcome him with full of love and hospitality like how Filipinos are.
Let's say you are about to become intimate with your long distance relationship, boyfriend for the first time, and he refuses to wear a condom. What would you do?
I'd talk to him about it and convince him to do that because I'm not ready for a commitment like having a child, and not wearing a condom is having that possibility of conceiving a child, and I'm gonna talk to him about it and respectfully talk to him about it and convince him to do or to wear condom when we have sex or make love.
You are 18 years old. You're in college.
Yes.
May we know what's your course?
Bachelor of Tourism Management po. Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview? Para saan po? Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, 4 questions lang, ma'am. Opinion mo man lang. Or am I na right or wrong? Okay lang, ma'am.
May we know what's your name and age?
Hi, I'm Abby, 27 years old.
How are you tonight, Ma'am Abby?
I'm feeling great. Actually, I finished my 3 kilometer run.
Wow. Wow.
Recovery run lang. Yeah.
Okay. So, Ma'am Abby, here's the first question. What scares you the most before meeting your long distance partner for the first time?
I think the scariest for me is when we meet the the physical relationship between us and the emotional stability. I think I'm not yet ready with in terms of that. And then of course, I don't think that I can really handle those emotional and physical in terms of long distance relationship.
If your long distance boyfriend tells you he would not consider living in the Philippines because he doesn't like it, what would your reaction be?
I think I would ask him why. I would make a deep conversation with him, of course. And then if his final decision is not really staying here in the Philippines, I think I'm not going to stay with him because again I'm not a fan, or I'm not into long distance relationship, so I cannot commit with the guy into long distance relationship. Kasi because again I believe that physical relationship is very important within the relationship.
What if he told you that you can come with, him?
If he asked me that, I think I can consider it as long as I can be with him. Yeah, that's all. So I think communication is the very best thing with the relationship. So if we talk about it with each other, so those consideration I think would be the best. So I can consider it like that.
Your LDR boyfriend traveled 22 hours to see you.
Yeah.
How would you welcome him to the Philippines?
Yeah, of course, I'm really happy to welcome him with all my heart, of course, because imagine that 22 hours is very the effort, you know. So I'm so happy. I'm really happy to welcome him with open arms, of course, and I'm so happy with that, of course.
For the first time. And where do you think you're gonna bring him?
I think at my home, I mean house, no? Because I want to meet him, my family, of course, and then there, I would bring him to the different places that beautiful here in the Philippines.
Okay. Now, let's say you are about to become intimate with your long distance boyfriend for the first time and he refuses to wear a condom. What would you do?
I think, oh my God, because I really I'm not into guy that is using condom. So I wouldn't appreciate that if he do that to me. No? Of course, again, I will talk to him. I will ask him why he didn't want to use it. And of course, I want to explain myself that it is very important because, again, as a woman, I want to protect my dignity with him, of course. So yeah, I would ask him, and I will refuse if he insists. That's for me. That's my opinion. Yeah,
You are 27 years old, ma'am. Are you single or do you have a boyfriend?
single.
How long have you been single?
Oh my God, 1 month.
A month? No, for real. A month?
Yeah.
Months, okay. Ma'am, maybe know what's your job?
I'm an architect and financial advisor. So I have two jobs.
And you're still doing it, right?
I'm so happy with that. Yeah.
Anyway, it's interesting because mom has a chick.
Yeah, because I have two cats and one dog. So I bought this for them so that they will have playmate.
Oh my
So
goodness.
I hope they will like it.
So you're like a animal lover, right?
Yeah.
Okay. We were also planning to get something like this for our daughter.
Only 50 pesos.
Wow, very cheap, affordable. Well, anyway, mom, thank you so much. We really appreciate your time. Thank you.
So much. I hope my questions helps.
Definitely. Interesting color, green. Green chick. Mom, thank you so much, mom.
Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, 30 minutes.
Hopefully, we earned your subscription, and also, if you like our content, please consider becoming a member for exclusive video. Thank you for watching, and take care, everyone. Bye bye.